So here's my 2018 Tacoma. Show you what I got on it real quick. The ditch lights. It's got 6 lights pointing forward, and then also has 3 pointing off to the side. Ditch lights were easy to install, and I got them from Cali Raised LED. They're online. On the back, you can see the bed rack. It's the shorter version. This is also from Cali Raised LED. They have 2 versions. Taller one, which would go up to about the top of the cab. Rotopacks mount right there. And here's the other side of the rack. Inside, I have the bed panels with like the Molly compatible type, also from Cali Raised LED. Got them on both sides. It's actually 4 pieces. And Rotopack mounts on both of the rear ones, where I put the 3-gallon gas cans. So I'll have a total of 6 gallons of gas backup. And I have those quick fists where I stick an axe. Just so easy to get to. And here's the other side with the other mount. There's my views. Extremely right wing. Hopefully that pisses off some people. But the rooftop tent was the last thing I got. Made by Smittybuilt. It's the smaller of 2. They have 2 versions. This is the smaller one. But it's plenty big for 2 people. I'll do a video on it opened up later. Well, it just rides there all the time. I actually got it a while ago. It's just slow in making a video. Let's take a look inside. Alright, so inside I have the 6-speed manual, which I wanted. There weren't too many on the lot, so I was pretty lucky to get this one, I thought. Here I have a flashlight mounted in a quick fist also. Surefire. I put some tape on it just because it's really slick. I just keep that right there all the time. And the door panel, a couple pair of gloves just to keep them handy. And I go target shooting a lot, so I just keep yours in here all the time in case I forget. And inside the center console, real quick, I have one of those dividers. You can get them on eBay or Amazon. And I keep in there a pair of 2-way radios, a GPS, Garmin Rhino. Right. There it is. Yeah, it's the Rhino. And tire gauge, a couple flashlights, a pen, a knife, extra batteries, Gerber multi-tool, a couple of carpenter pencils, wet wipes, some gum, extra cord for my, or a charging cord for my iPod. I have the satellite radio, but they play garbage music, so I just have to use my iPod all the time. And the glove box, typical crud, with a pair of ears, toilet paper, some shooting glasses. Driver's side visor, I got a pin, predator call. Never know when you're going to see a coyote. You want to call them in. Some patches stuck up on the headboard. Alright, in the back, I keep, well, right now I have a couple of boxes of matches and a magazine holder, so if I go camping or whatever, I'll just throw some spare magazines right there for whatever pistol I'm carrying at the time. A couple of map books for the area I'm at. Extra hat. And behind this rear seat, I have an extra jacket. A bag with some ammo, first aid kit, binoculars, fire starting kit, and down here I have a Rossi trifecta. It's got the 243 barrel, a 22, and a 20 gauge. So I just keep that in there. And that bag is full of ammo for it all. And underneath the seat, storage bin here, a Gerber axe, a saw that comes out, extra flashlight, and then you got your jack and your tire iron. And move to the other side. And the driver's side passenger door, a pair of gloves, some electrical tape, flashlight, one of the Rotopax mounts I have in there now. And under this seat, here's a bag with some stuff for the Smittybilt tent. I just haven't put it in there yet. Just a cheap light. If you need it, you can stick it to the side of the truck. Can affix a flat. A rag. Various nuts and bolts for the rack on the back. And then just a small toolbox. But it's got everything I need for the tent, the rack, the bed panels. And behind this seat, another roll of toilet paper. I would leave home without that. Roll of Gorilla Tape, or actually this is the T-Rex tape. Roll of duct tape, 100 feet of paracord, a battery starting box. It's also got a DC outlet, a light. Probably need to charge it up again. Yeah, I think it's got a USB cable right here. You can charge your phone if you have to. Bag of zip ties, and one of those thermal blankets. One of the better quality ones, not like the dollar ones. Nope. That's about it. That's what I keep in there. And an overview of the truck. Thanks.